sa 2022 po kami like pinaka nag-peak kasi doon lang po kami lumabas that time kasi yun nga po since 2020 and 2021 medyo alanganin po yung panahon. Then by then po nung 2022 na-invite po kami sa isang P-pop concert which is yung P-pop con po, and doon ko po masasabi na grabe yung experience po namin kasi parang po siya parang nakaipon po lahat sa isang box, para siyang Pandora's box. Tapos biglang nung inopen, biglang sumabog na lang po kami na grabe, ito pala yung feeling na mag-perform as a group. Tapos maraming tao, maraming nanonood, and first time po namin makita yung fans mo namin.
At alam mo ba, Kuya Jovi, na nung launching ng True FM, nandoon sila. Sila rin na nag-perform. Hindi ko makakalimutan yun.
May relationship na pala talaga.
Oo. Nakakatuwa. And alam mo, sa lahat ng P-pop group, kayo ngayon nakikita ko talaga, no? Parang grabe yung journey, grabe rin talaga yung hugot, at grabe yung mga naging challenge. And where do you see First One is going?
Nowhere but up.
Gusto ko yun.
Correct.
Simple.
Oo.
Simple but sweet. Hindi kasi po, yun po, we've been through highs and lows. Hiatus.
Nag-hiatus kayo
yes,
di ba?
Po. Muntik
Gano'ng
pa
katagal ulit yun?
About 4 months? 4 months.
Oo.
4 months.
Sa P-pop matagal yun?
Matagal po yun. Kasi 4 months without a single song or a content or anything. As in, zero po talaga yun. Matagal po yun. So, muntik din po kami mag-disband nun. Pero through that, I think that was a crucial turning point na instead of disbanding, we turned the hardships into fire, into fuel, para mas maging porsigido kami. And as of now po, until from then on, nung song na yun, which is entitled O, until now, there was never a single time na we faltered. Of course, there are times na nakakapanghina, pero the end decision will always be to push forward.
That's nice. Who made you push forward?
4-1.
Oo.
4-1.
Ano sabi nila sa inyo?
Love you.
Love you.
Siyempre.
Nung time po kasi nung nasa, kami, nung wala po kaming ganap nung time po na very down po kami. Napansin po namin niya yung social medias namin. Talagang buhay na buhay pa rin sila. Parang parang medyo nagagets nila kung bakit labat parang wala silang paramdam. Parang nafe-feel po yata nila na may may nangyayaring problema sa aming grupo. So, nakita po namin doon na continuous pa rin sila sa pag-post para hindi po kami mawala sa social media. Parang ganun po yung ginawa nila.
Nakaka-touch naman. And ngayon, ano nakikita nyo na pwede nyong i-improve pa, 'di ba? And to set you apart, because honestly, ang laki na ng P-pop industry natin, 'di ba? At of course, hinahanap niyo yung niche ninyo 'di ba, sa P-pop. Yung iba biglang nag-global pop, ayaw na magpatawag na P-pop, etc., etc. For First One, saan nyo nakikita yung yung strength nyo?
Well, we just want to continue being, ang main goal po kasi namin, gaya nga po ng sabi niyo kanina, we're one of the seniors, ika nga. But still, the main goal ever since day one and even now is to still become a better version of ourselves every day, every single day. Actually po, nag-change na kami ng tagline. Starting nung 4th year anniversary FanCon, we used to do an introduction saying, start at the end, going up to be first. We are First One. And ang sinasabi lang po noon when we started is that we always start and we never forget where we came from or what our roots are in whatever thing we do or however we choose to go up step by step. Pero ngayon po kasi the end goal na, being 4 years in the industry, in the P-pop scene, the end goal is to become, kung alam niyo po yung playing cards, kung familiar po kayo sa mga ganun, 1/1. Oh. So, that's a very rare card. Kasi one card in the whole wide world. So, the decision now for us is to become that single card each and every time in the whole wide world. But still, yung kadugtong po niya, 1/1, go beyond. So, each and every day, no matter how rare you may be, you choose to go beyond your rarity.
Oh, wow! Deep nila! Parang kinantahan tayo. Parang Friday session to. Go wine natin.
Para tayo ng kandidato sa Miss Universe.
Oo, tutuwa. Sabi ko, saan yung wine? Parang kailangan ko maglabas ng di ba? Pinagdaanan ko rin.
Uy, MJ, sample naman.
Oo, sample naman, guys.
Oo.
Na
Sige po.
paalam na.
Lapit na lang.
Okay.
Okay po.
Sige.
3, 2, 1. Paalam na sa ating dalawa. Paalam na minahal kita. Di na kaya masaktan pa. Sana'y maging masaya ka. Paalam na ngunit di mauulit. Paalam na. Yeah!
Congrats, guys. And I do hope, lalo na syempre sa management ninyo, no, na talagang, alam mo yon yung mga pinaghihirapan ninyo, will take you to greater heights, di ba? Maganda yung
Yes,
direction
po.
na kung saan kayo ibubuk